Outdoor drain line terminations can be compromised by cats, children, or other pets if left exposed. Outdoor drain lines should be terminated in a way that prevents easy access and blockages while maintaining proper flow and ventilation. Position terminations where water exits onto a graded surface away from foundations and pathways to avoid standing water and pooling. Use a rigid elbow or stub-out that directs flow downward and attach a mesh guard made of corrosion-resistant material with openings no larger than 1/4 inch to keep fur, leaves, and small paws from entering. Anchor the termination securely with clamps or concrete encasement if near play areas so curious hands cannot dislodge it, and slope the surrounding soil at least 1 inch per foot for the first 6 feet to encourage runoff. For properties prone to animal digging, install a short length of buried pipe ending at a protected outlet box with a removable screened lid for inspection. Check the termination monthly and after storms, running water through the system to confirm free discharge and to clear small accumulations before they become clogs. When children are present, educate caregivers about keeping the area clear and consider a decorative but functional cover that looks pleasing while preventing access. 3 common problems are entry by animals, accidental damage by children, and debris accumulation. Animals like cats will probe small openings and can push in leaves or nest materials, so fit a tight mesh guard and secure it with tamper-resistant fasteners to stop entry. Children may kick or pull at exposed fittings, so use recessed boxes or cap the termination with a low-profile cover that resists prying and is anchored to the ground. Debris and sediment will build up over time, reducing flow, so perform a monthly visual check and flush the line with a garden hose once every season or after heavy leaf fall to prevent slow blockages. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a community for discussing project specifics and local risks related to exterior plumbing. We help contractors find work by listing projects and letting them join conversations so both homeowners and professionals can learn from each other.